Thunder Tiger 3D Sukhoi 31. Picked this up at one of those old brick and mortar shops that had a lot of neat little things tucked away in the corners. Complete kit with addendum. It's always nice to have the addendum. The addendum. Lovely. Sukhoi 31 assembly manual. Looks good. Good pictures. I'm showing you all this, but it's not like you're going to go out and find one or buy one. So you'll just have to probably enjoy mine. Anybody else has one of these. It's not like a lot of people watch my videos, which is fine. But if anybody that does watch my videos finds another one of these out there in the world, let me know, because this is the first time I'd seen this little guy. It's cute. The fuselage is going to Velcro together, that's kind of a new style for me. We'll put all of our electronics and stuff and tuck our little battery in there and then just Velcro it up and then just go fly. Quality of the foam is not bad, you know. This is pretty old, new old stock we'll call it. It's got a good little wooden laser cut parts and already all glued up inside, which is great. Don't know what that little flap is yet, but I'll refer to the manual and find out. So, oh, nice. Oh, and it came with a Thunder Tiger brushless motor that just looks nice as can be. Ooh, score. It also came with an ESC. And boy, do I have a bunch of these little yellow guys all over the place. Just little unbranded ESC. They work fine. Never had a problem with one. This may, be the first time I have a problem with one, but these little 20 amp ESCs, I've got them laying all over the house. Wing is nice. Little, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's an aerofoil. Little symmetrical aerofoil, so we can fly you upside down and right side up with pretty much equal ease. Just limits the amount of pressure you need because you've got similar lift in both orientations. Well, paint job's okay. Not really coming off on the hands or anything, so over the 20 years that it's been in this box, the paint's dried. A little push rod, oh nice. Little threaded push rods, good quality. Don't know what this rod is yet, but could be anything. Ooh. 11 by 8 slow flyer prop included. Just for shits and giggles. And this isn't the best way to balance or check the balance of a prop, but it's quick and easy, and sometimes that's just what you want to invest. Very minimal balancing will be required. one side is just the slightest bit heavier than the other. I mean, you could totally fly it like this and you'd barely notice, but I tend to like, I like to get them pretty well balanced. 11 by 8. That is a pretty aggressive slow flyer. I'm used to using like 9 by 4.7, 10, 3, 8. Yeah, I got a lot of 11 by 7s too. 11 by 8, that's good. It's gonna hover. It's gonna hover. Not that I can really hover that well, but it's gonna hover, whether it likes it or not. Got some ailerons. I'm gonna need to warm these up with a little steam. Just kind of flatten them out. They're just curled just a tiny bit. Not that much though. Oh, nice little one-piece elevator. Nope. Came with all its little carbon fiber pieces, which, you know, one of which will go right chaff, and then so that we've got good rigidity on the control surfaces, which is important. I like a rigid control surface. I don't know about you, but it's just personal preference. Landing gear, clevises, little hinges, the little fabric hinges. These are hook and loop tape, aka Velcro. And it's funny how people say hook and loop tape, because Velcro is obviously like a trademark registered thing by 3M, I'm sure. Little motor mount, looks gorgeous. Nice and thick, that's good. Pre-drilled and all, as you would expect. I like it. I like this little bag that they put these small parts in. It's like a party favor bag that you would get at the dollar store. To me, that kind of kicks ass. Alright. So, definitely have everything in here. Let you take a closer look at Nimnair motor. Ah, I'll be damned. When they, you're gonna love this person who watches this video. When they stapled the bag shut, a staple went right through one of the motor leads. So I'm sure it'll be fine, but if it acts funny, I'm gonna have to put me a new wire in there, which is work I didn't want to do, or nobody would want to do, but I bet it's probably got enough of the integrity to be okay. That kind of sucks though. So it did come with one flaw due to somebody just kind of haphazardly shooting that staple through there. The motor's really nice. It's a good little motor. Thunder Tiger. Yeah, if you flew nitro, which I didn't fly a lot of nitro, a little, but I'm definitely familiar with Thunder Tiger and the fact that they're good. I like that little prop screw or nose cone. Looks good. Well, that's the unboxing of, just in case you watched the last 5 seconds of this video instead of the first 4 minutes, Sukhoi 31 Thunder Tiger 3D series. Obviously a little foamy here. It's got me some diagrams of things to do, which probably won't really do them like that, but I'll fly the hell out of it and have fun. I probably won't do the landing gear like that. Kind of depends. I'm kind of picky about how I do my landing gear, so we'll see. If I even put landing gear on it. This might just be something else that I like to just toss out of my hand and catch. So, anyway, if the weather permits, this may be something that's flying later this afternoon. Alright, thank you.